Morning rest on galley stone, quiet walls and sunlight shone. Windows catch the early glow. Rozelle wakes soft and slow. Above the house the gardens breathe, autumn colors through the leaves. Copper, amber, green and gold, every branch a story told. Round the cedar wide and slow, circling where the still winds go. Colors over Rozelle rise, trees below and open skies. From the gallery to the green, every view feels bright and clean. Colors over Rozelle fly, lifting softly into Ayr's wide sky. Passing lawns beneath the frame, every tree a different flame. Quiet grounds and morning air, peaceful moments everywhere. Back above the gallery line, sunlit rooftops start to shine. Colors over Rozelle rise, trees below in open skies. From the gallery to the green, every view feels bright and clean. Colors over Rozelle fly, lifting softly into Ayr's wide sky. The town appears through the trees in changing years. Art and garden, house and light, held together in the flight. Colors over Rozelle